Good afternoon YouTube, we're here in Ibiza town and tonight there is a bit of a light festival going on. I've just arrived in, there's plenty of people walking around, which I'll cut to that in a little minute. The light festival, I don't know much about it, I haven't really seen it too well advertised, but based on the amount of people that are walking around the town today, it looks like a lot of people are here for it. So we'll head up that way. I don't actually know exactly where it is. I can see some lights toward the Dove Villa bit, so I'd assume that's where the lights are going to be shining on the wall, based on a few pictures I've seen over the years. Better not fall here. Ugh. So yeah, you can see that there is plenty of people around the harbour. I'm just waiting for my friend. He's actually waiting for a taxi. He has a villa up in the hills near Destino, and he said he can't get a taxi for life nor money. It has been a massive problem in the summer, obviously, taxis, so it seems to be a big problem at the minute as well. You can see there's lots of people around. It seems busier than the summer. We are in the last couple of weeks of October. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed to the channel the last couple of weeks. I think since I've done that amnesia vlog, we jumped about 500 subscribers, so thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll stop talking because I know I can go on a little bit. So we'll go into town now and see what's going on. So guys, I am leaving Ibiza town. I'm going outside Ibiza town now. The light show was pretty cool, but yeah, I just need to have my wits about me. Just passed some guys that looked at the camera. You can never be too careful. But yeah, no, the light show was pretty cool. Didn't really know where I was going. I was just kind of walking, and see, whatever I seen is what you seen. I had to catch up with an old friend, and now we are going to go for sushi in a restaurant just outside Ibiza town. I met this couple from Poland who's recently opened a sushi restaurant, and I said I would come back and make a vlog, so we're going to go there, check the place out, and yeah, I think you're going to really enjoy it. I enjoyed it, but like I said, I didn't have the camera on me, and this is why we're going back now. I have drove my motorbike today because I want to it just gets you from A to B very fast. Whenever you have the car, then you have to worry about parking, and the car I have is quite expensive to fuel. So yeah, we're gonna go get the motorbike, go there. I'm gonna meet my friend Rebecca, go and have some sushi. I'll probably end the vlog at that. It is just a random one as always, but I hope you've enjoyed this so far. I promised to show some more restaurants these vlogs in the winter that is opened, so if you are coming to Ibiza, anything you see in the vlog from this day forward will be opened during the winter. I found an incredible little sushi place. It's called Soma, and it's located just outside Ibiza town, kind of near San Jordi. Incredible restaurant, incredible people. Beautiful couple from Poland. I got talking to them when I was here the other day, and I didn't have my camera, so I decided to come back, and here I am shooting a vlog inside the restaurant, and we're gonna go for sushi. So I do love my Japanese food, but I've never been to Japan. This is what's called a norin. I did not know this, but this is basically an open sign. So if you see this outside a restaurant, especially a Japanese restaurant, but you're only going to see it outside a Japanese restaurant, it means it's open, and if it's not here, then the restaurant's not opened. News to me as well. I'm waiting for my friend Rebecca. I haven't seen her all summer. Me and Rebecca do a little bit of work together. She's been busy working in the music industry, so we're going to catch up for some food, and yeah, enjoy this. So guys, that was incredible. I feel like I've come in here just to have some sushi, but I've walked away with a lot of knowledge. If I had one thing, you know, just tell us a little bit about the restaurant. How did it all come about?
Hello.
Hi guys.
Sorry, I should say, introduce yourself.
So my name is Peter, and I'm the chef and owner of Sushi Ibiza. This restaurant. It was always our dream, and now the dream came true. And we would love to share with you all of our passion, good food, and happy sushi.
Yeah, this is what we want to do. We really want to make people happy through our food. We are really passionate about that, and we want to share that knowledge and passion with you. So we are very happy that you liked it, and we hope you're going to visit us soon.
It was incredible. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, I'm not even exaggerating. Come in and try it. It is a beautiful little restaurant. I dare say that's the best. I just think the whole experience.
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
Knowledgeable, yeah.
I walk away a knowledge of Japanese cuisine. So thank you very much. I'm sure you are going to see these guys in the vlog a lot more. I'm going to come. It is opened all winter as well, so get yourself down if you're watching in Ibiza. And yeah, thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Right, guys, I'm not going to lie, that was incredible. Thank you so much.
Dwayne, for coming.
I'll see you later. I'll see you again.
Bye.
Honestly, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
If you get the chance to come, go and see them. Unbelievable. Loved it. What do you think of it?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
And their knowledge,
Yeah.
like top notch.
You sound so American when you're on camera. But like I said, it's just outside.
Waving.
Oh, still waving. Bye bye. Honestly, amazing people. Yeah, it's just outside Ibiza town. If you are staying in Ibiza town, it would only be a quick cab ride, and highly recommend it.
Nice parking.
That was an amazing day at the light show. Everything. It's been a good vlog. It's been a long vlog, and for that reason I am going to close this one up. It has just gone 12 o'clock. I did not realize it was so late. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, do hit the subscribe button, and I will be back in the next couple of days. So take care, and thank you for watching.